goodness, here they
Here's
come. Two littles.
Oh
my goodness.
Are you scared?
Oh my goodness. Hello, you monkeys. Hello, welcome. Oh my goodness. Hello, babies. Here's the bigger guys. Hello. Hi, Lexi. Hi, Mac. Hello. Let's go over here. We're gonna go over here. Oh. You okay? That's my puppies. Okay.
What's wrong? You guys are so like that from outside.
It's so overwhelming.
Are you so happy with the cuddles?
Are you so happy?
You're so happy. You're so pretty. Got your vaccines. Got your dewormer.
Got giant toes, giant paws.
Yeah, big paws. It's been a day.
Yeah.
Just waiting for your foster. On to a much happier life now. Yes.
Hey, love. Yeah, you're so cute. Yes. Come. You want to You want to come? No?
What you doing? He's a good boy. He's a handsome boy.